Obviously, if I put the door into there, it's going to fall through at the moment. So I'm going to put some door stop in. And to get that in the right place, I'm going to use a combination square, because I can adjust the depth I got. And I'm going to set this just a bit to the thickness of my door. And then with a pencil, I'm going to mark down the timber where I'm going to put my timber to, my door stop to. And obviously the door won't fall through that opening then. So I go all the way around, marking up and then I can just fix these in place just to okay, you do the head first. If you've got a door lining, these generally come with them. So I'm going to put I'm not going to nail it all the way, just in case I do need to make slight adjustments. And then this side, so lining up the top. Just checking on my marks as I go down. So not fully nailing them home. Other side. Got those perfectly in the screws. Obviously, need to miss the screws I put in. There's some there to stop that door falling through.